clear from Dallas in the left lane. On the return road. So I'll give you James Davis and see Mike Whaley and Tom Fanwell. Okay? The mic's for you, Gene. One, two. There we go. Now we got it working. Kevin, come over here a minute. Everybody, this 05 truck is sitting right here belongs to Kevin. Is it Brindle or Hoffengrove? All right, well, Kevin, it says you're 42 years old. You're out of Wilhelmina. And you got 85 Kenworth. And it's got a Cummins in it, 475 cubic inch. And it is the fastest truck we've had here all day. You ran an ET of 17 to 47, which is the fastest truck of the day. Congratulations, you're going to get your award for being the fastest truck on the property. Anything to say, Kevin? Hey, shy. Just drives truck. Thanks, Kevin. Congratulations. Back upstairs to you, Jim. Well, thank you, Gene. While we were gone, Tom Fanwell was the winner from Dallas in the left lane over Mike Whaley from Wilhelmina. From Wilhelmina, another one of those Hoffenbeetles. And from Brownsville in the right lane, Kevin Starrett from Brownsville, Oregon is 90 Kenworth. And left lane, Marla Hoffenriedel, your winner from Wilhelmina. Comes in one of those Larry Brown truckers out of Salem, Oregon, Kenworth. And Garrett Wunderstock from Salem, Oregon. Well, let me big truck. Little trucks down, power diesel truck. Back in the early years, 30 years ago, we had a wheel standard called Defiance. In the left lane, your winner at 68 miles an hour. Here we go with Monty Marlin from Myrtle Creek. Brent Bowringer from Eugene. And back to you, Gene, out there on the starting line. test 1, 2. There we go. I got it working. Yahoo! Well, we stopped James Davis, right? Am I correct? I remember that, even though I had your car down here. So, James, you got best appearing truck. And congratulations on that. And congratulations, you just run the first round, I understand. So, it's a good job there. Well, before you run away, tell me a little bit about the truck. Who painted the truck?
Austin's painted it here in Canby, Oregon, local place. Then I did all the fabrication and bodywork and lowering. It's a 93P.
Is it a working truck?
Works every day. It was in Los Angeles yesterday, so.
Oh, okay. Well, it's low. I noticed that. Is it ride good that way?
Yeah, actually it rides great. The front end is on airbag, and actually it's the best driving truck I've had. So.
Do you run it that low on the highway?
About an inch higher.
Okay. And the other question I had, I understand the thing was in a magazine recently. What magazine was in recently?
I was recently in 10-4 magazine in June. They're a Los Angeles-based magazine company that came up. We went to LC Falls, did a photo shoot, story on it. Great people, and I love the magazine.
What do you have most of the time?
Beer, wine.
You're my kind of guy. You can stop by the racetrack anytime you want, Jake. Thank you. Congratulations. Big round of applause for the best.
Yeah, when he said he all beer and wine, boy, yeah, he's our kind of guy, all right. Beautiful truck, and he built that way for a pretty young kid, so congratulations. Make sure that, ladies and gentlemen, you guys are welcome to go back in the pit area. If you got little kids, just keep a hold of their hands because these trucks are so tall and they're hard to see around when they're moving around. So, but